Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Shopify SEO basics for 2026 easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the online store section on the left menu. Click on Preferences. Check your website title and meta description. Ensure your title includes relevant keywords for your store. Keep your title under 60 characters for optimal display in search results. Next, review your meta description. Make sure it is concise and summarizes your store in about 160 characters. Use clear, action-oriented language that encourages clicks. Now, go to the Products section in your Shopify dashboard. Select a product to edit. Scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview. Click on Edit Website SEO. Make sure to include relevant keywords in the page title and meta description. After that, check your product images. Ensure each image has a descriptive file name and alt text. This improves accessibility and helps with SEO. Next, go to the navigation section under Online Store. Check your menus for clear and descriptive labels. Ensure your navigation is user-friendly and logical. Then, click on Themes under Online Store. Select Customize to edit your theme. Review your site layout and ensure it is mobile-friendly. A responsive design boosts your SEO rankings. Now, check your site speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to assess loading times. Aim for a score of 90 or above for optimal performance. Next, revisit your blog section if you have one. Ensure your blog posts are informative and contain relevant keywords. Quality content is key to improving your SEO. Lastly, install an SEO app from the Shopify App Store if you need help. Apps can provide additional insights and tools for optimizing your store. Following these steps will help ensure your Shopify store is SEO optimized for 2026. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.